Here we are again in the hot car doing more key programming. Good thing this one's quick one. It's an old Toyota with a 4C chip that is onboard programmable. So we're gonna add in a new one. Just gotta wait for that security light to go out. Should be just about 60 seconds. Security light stopped flashing. Oops, messed with the focus. The key's still in the ignition. We know it's a master key now because the security light flashes. When we insert the key, it doesn't flash at all. All done.